All right, team, let's get this inspection started. We don't have all day. Yes, Mark. Equipment checks completed. Good. I'll rig the access lines.
Mark, can I ask something?
Go ahead.
Wouldn't it be safer to install a second independent anchor on the adjacent beam?
Why?
The beam you're using looks adequate, but adding another anchor would provide redundancy if anything unexpected happened.
Redundancy?
Yes, 2 independent anchors would give us an additional layer of protection.
How long have you been doing rope access work?
Not as long as you have, but
Exactly.
I'm only raising a safety concern.
I've spent more than 15 years in this industry.
I understand that.
Then trust my judgment.
I'm not questioning your experience.
Sounds like you are.
No, sir, I'm only suggesting a safer setup.
The rigging stays exactly as it is.
Maybe we should just add the second anchor. It won't take long.
Nobody asked for your opinion. David, you're not going down on this rope.
What?
You heard me. Why? Since you're so concerned about my rigging, someone else can do the inspection. Mark, Samuel, you'll perform the inspection, all right? This isn't personal. I was only thinking about safety. Discussion over.
Harness secured? Check. Backup device secured? Check. Descending device secured? Check. Ready to descend. Proceed.
I'm approaching the inspection area.
Copy.
Coating degradation visible on the lower section.
Document it.
Copy. Mark.
Go ahead.
I'm feeling some movement on the line.
Probably wind.
It feels unusual.
Continue working.
Understood. Did anyone see that movement?
I noticed it too.
The anchor doesn't look stable.
Mark, can we stop the operation and reassess?
Everything is under control. Please look at the beam. I've already checked it. Something isn't right. Let me take a closer look. The rope just shifted again.
Stay calm.
I don't think... Mark! The beam!
Everybody clear the area!
Samuel, the anchor connection gave way. Samuel!
Call emergency responses now!
No. Samuel! Our findings indicate the anchor point failed under load.
Would a secondary independent anchor have prevented the incident?
The evidence suggests it would have provided critical redundancy. I should have listened. I let my pride make the decision. Experience is valuable, but experience should never prevent us from listening. In safety, a good idea can come from anyone. The strongest teams are not the ones with the most experience. They are the ones where every concern is heard. One ignored warning changed everything. Safety doesn't care about rank, titles, or years of experience. It only responds to the decisions we make. This is Inspector Daniel, beyond the Weld.